Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a different type of video. I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Sean. I have been tinkering and making things for quite a few years now. This whole process to me is new. Making videos, talking into the camera, making sure my eyes are looking at you guys to grasp the audience's attention. I've been building PCs for well over 10 years, tinkering with audio, video technology, anything that has battery or electronics for years. A little bit about myself. I was recently medically retired from my day job, so now I'm home full time, but I'm in my garage/shop trying to make all of this work, something new, something different. My videos are baseline below average right now, but I'm trying to increase that, trying to learn as I go. Video editing, audio, some videos are good, some are bad. If you haven't seen any of my other ones, audio goes out or gets really crunchy and loud for no reason. I've got mics, I'm trying, I'm learning. So I appreciate you guys for watching my videos and taking the time to look at the views. Like I said, this is a different video. You know, my 3D printer's going, my laser's right there. I have my CNC over there. I love using technology to make things and do new things. Currently, like, you know, I laser engraved this, then did some epoxy pouring. Then I'm gonna bust out my new sander. Do a quick video on that. You know, got a brand new Bosch sander, so I'm gonna do a video on that too. Been dying to open that up and test it out. I appreciate all the views that I get. Yeah, it's new to me. You know, a lot of dead space, dead air, I should say. So I'm trying to figure out how to work this out, talk my thoughts out so I don't have a lot of pauses, a lot of ums. Put myself out there. Ultimately, if you guys can like and subscribe, that would do me that'd be massive. Comment down below what you guys would like to see. Eventually, I'd like to turn it into like a community sharing. Post down in the comments, whatever top comments, you know, what you guys would like to see, that kind of stuff. Or I'll give an ultimatum, 1 or 2, you know. But anything helps right now. I appreciate everyone for following along, checking all my videos out. So stay tuned for what's to come. Appreciate it.